The BenQ LH750 1080p 5000 lumens projector is designed to deliver outstanding performance for both professional and personal use. With a combination of brightness, color accuracy, and advanced features, this projector is an impressive solution for offices, classrooms, and home setups. At its core, the LH750 offers 5000 lumens of brightness, which makes it suitable for environments with plenty of ambient light. Presentations remain clear, and visuals don't wash out even under bright conditions. The full HD 1080p resolution ensures sharp, detailed images that are perfect for slides, videos, and detailed graphics. Every detail is crisp, which is crucial for business presentations or educational content. The projector's LED light source is a standout feature. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, it has an estimated 30,000-hour lifespan, allowing for years of reliable use without maintenance. LED technology also improves energy efficiency. Combined with smart eco power saving, this projector adjusts brightness dynamically to save power without sacrificing image quality, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Color performance is another strength. Covering 98% of the Rec. .709 color gamut, the LH750 produces vivid, natural colors. From accurate skin tones to deep blues and vibrant reds, images look realistic and balanced. Whether it's a business graph, a classroom diagram, or a movie scene, the color fidelity is impressive. Setup is simple thanks to auto keystone correction and 2D keystone adjustment, ensuring the projected image remains perfectly rectangular, even when the projector is placed at an angle. This eliminates the common problem of distorted images and reduces setup time significantly. Connectivity options are modern and versatile. The projector includes dual HDMI ports, USB, and Wi-Fi screencasting, allowing seamless connection from laptops, smartphones, and other devices. Wireless projection is smooth and reliable, making it easy to share presentations or stream content without cluttered cables. While designed for professional use, the LH750 also caters to entertainment. It is 4K HDR compatible, meaning it can handle high-quality signals and downscale them to 1080p with impressive dynamic range and contrast. HDR content looks deeper and more engaging, enhancing both movies and games. For audio, the built-in speaker is convenient for quick setups, while connecting an external speaker via HDMI ARC can provide a more immersive experience. This versatility makes it suitable for small meeting rooms or personal home theaters. Durability is another key factor. Unlike traditional lamp projectors that gradually dim over time, the LED source maintains consistent brightness and color accuracy for years. The result is long-term reliability without frequent replacements or recalibration. Performance-wise, the LH750 excels in various scenarios. It handles bright meeting rooms, classrooms, and even living spaces where natural light is present. Its combination of high brightness, color precision, and long-lasting LED technology ensures it can meet professional standards while offering flexibility for home use. Overall, the BenQ LH750 is a versatile projector that combines power, precision, and convenience. It's ideal for professionals, educators, and anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing projector. Whether it's business presentations, classroom lessons, or movie nights, it consistently delivers a vivid, clear, and professional quality projection. For those seeking a projector that offers reliability, energy efficiency, and true-to-life colors, the BenQ LH750 1080p 5000 lumens LED projector is a solid investment. Check the link in the description for the best deals and more details to elevate your projection setup.